Greetings of the day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Exam Candy. Here in this class, we will be discussing format of CBSE English paper because many of you must know or may know that there have been a change in the pattern of the paper this time. So to clarify this changes in the pattern, I'm here to support you. Nonetheless, beginning with our video, so we will be discussing format. Now, the paper is divided into two sections, section A and section B. Right? Now, what is section A? Section A consists of 40 marks, out of which 20 marks will be these are objective type questions. 40 marks will be for your objective type questions. Now 20 marks will be for your unseen reading comprehension. You will be given a passage. You need to mark the exact answer from the given options, and I think you will be given 11 questions and you have to do 10 questions, so 20 marks. Now 20 marks will be your objective type questions from your literature, like your Flamingo book and Vistas book se wahan se you will have multiple choice questions. So I would suggest that you read the book or the chapter line by line. Okay? So 20 marks will be from your literature. Now coming to section B. Section B is also of 40 marks, but the difference is कि section A objective type था, यानी कि multiple choice questions. Section B subjective, जहाँ पे आप write मतलब लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. So it is divided further into two parts. 16 marks आपके writing section के होंगे and 24 marks will be for your literature. It means Flamingo and Vistas. So 16 marks writing के आपके किसके होंगे? First of all, you will have short composition, which will be of 3 marks. मतलब short composition के you will have 2 questions. उसमें आपको दोनों में ही choice मिलेगी. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आपका नोटिस, एडवर्टीजमेंट और पोस्टर हो सकता है. आपको 2 चॉइस मिलेंगी, उसमें से आपको एक करना है. ओके. Now second short composition, which is also of 3 marks, will be your invitation and reply to that invitation. I have prepared videos for the short composition, letter writing, as well as very long composition. If you have any doubt that what is the format of these compositions, you can look for my videos. Okay, now coming back to the video. Second question in writing section will be of your short composition. Third question will be your letter writing. Now letters are of different types. You need to have the formats on your tips, right? It will be of 5 marks. Then the fourth question will be your very long composition, जो कि 5 marks का होगा, and in which there will be article, speech, report, debate, कुछ भी आ सकता है. So you prepare thoroughly for it. Now coming to the literature section, which is of 24 marks. Flamingo से you will have 5 short questions. इसमें आपको 30 to 40 words में you will have to write your answer. It means 5 questions, each one of 2 marks. Then you will have 2 questions from Vistas, each one of 2 marks. So total 4 marks जो कि Vistas से होंगे. And then there will be 2 long questions from literature. It means 1 from Flamingo, 1 from Vistas, each of 5 marks, जिसका आंसर आपको if I remember correctly 100 to 120 words में you will have to write their answers. So this is the pattern which has come out for your 2021 to 2022 two course of English, CBSE English. Your prescribed textbooks are Vistas and Flamingo. You can look for the syllabus on the CBSE site, or if it has been provided by your teacher, then good enough. You can look for the chapters which are there from Flamingo and Vistas and which have been deleted out. You can make your strategy for your English exam कि आपको कौन कौन से chapter पढ़ना है, because you will be given a choice. So you can work that कि you can leave one chapter if that chapter seems difficult to you. So you can prepare your strategy, and if you need any help in preparing your exam strategy for English, or what to read, what not to read, how to read, when to read these questions, please leave a comment for us. I will try to address your questions in our next video. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye. Take care and go and start your study. Okay, bye bye.